Assalamu alaikum students. This is Sabrina Islam, Assistant Teacher, Bogura Cantonment Public School and College. Welcome to today's class. How are you all? Hope you are all fine by the grace of Allah. Okay, get ready for today's class. Today we are going to take lesson from English for Today, recommended for class 9. Let's see some pictures. First one, second one, third one, fourth, and the last one. So, can you guess something? Yes, today's lesson is related to our Liberation War, and it is 26th March. We can find the lesson in Unit 3, Lesson 5, and the name of the lesson is Independence Day. Let's try to know some meaning of some new words. The first one is enthusiasm. That means intense and eager enjoyment. Then fervor, intense and passionate feeling. Mausoleum, a stately or impressive building housing a tomb or group of tombs. Processions, a number of people or vehicles moving forward in an orderly fashion, especially as part of a ceremony. Then defense forces, an organization of defenders that provides resistance against attack. Now we are going to know more about 26 March. 26 March, our Independence Day, is the biggest state festival. The day is celebrated every year in the country with great enthusiasm and fervor. It is a national holiday. All offices, educational institutions, shops and factories remain closed on this day. The day begins with 31 gunshots. Early in the morning, the President and the Prime Minister, on behalf of the nation, place floral wreaths at the National Mausoleum at Savur. Then diplomats, political parties, social and cultural organizations, and freedom fighters pay homage to the martyrs. People from all walks of life also come there with rallies and processions. There are several cultural programs throughout the day highlighting the heroic struggle and sacrifices in 1971. The country also witnessed a smartly dressed parade of defense forces, border guards, police, Ansars and the VDP at the National Parade Ground near the National Parliament. In Bangabandhu Stadium, school children, scouts and the Girl Guides take part in various displays to entertain thousands of spectators. The educational institutions also organize their individual programs. Sports meets and tournaments are also organized on the day, including the exciting boat race in the river Buriganga. In the evening, all major public buildings are illuminated with colorful lights. Bangla Academy, Bangladesh Shilpokala Academy and other socio-cultural organizations hold cultural functions. Similar functions are also arranged in other places in the country. Now it's time for choose the best answer from the alternatives. Question number 1. What does the expression from people from all walks of life in the line 2 mean? The options are A. All the ordinary people, B. All the rich people, C. All the poor people, D. All categories of people. The answer is all categories of people. Question number 2. Which of the following best describes the similarity between Bangla Academy and Shilpokala Academy? Options are A. Institute, B. University, C. Cultural Institute, D. Socio-cultural organization. And the answer is socio-cultural organization. Question number 3. Which of the following phrase describe 26 March best? The options are A. Special day, B. Public holiday, C. Independence Day, D. Memorable day. And the answer is C. Independence Day. Question number 4. Which of the following is true about the struggle for independence? A. Heroic, B. Huge, C. Big, D. Small. And the answer is A. Heroic. Question number 5. The National Mausoleum is located at A. National Parade Ground, B. Dhaka, C. Savar, D. Chittagong. And the answer is C. Savar. Question number 6. In the passage, the word organization means A. Club, B. Tribe, C. Association, D. Community. Then the answer is C. Association. And the last question is illuminate stand for A. Put out, B. Light, C. Put on, D. Put off. And the answer is light. Now answer to the following question. Number 1. From a reading of the first paragraph, describe how our Independence Day is celebrated every year. The answer is Independence Day is the biggest state festival. That's why it is celebrated with great enthusiasm and fervor every year in our country. People all walk of life join the festival. Number 2. Where is the National Mausoleum? Who plays floral wreaths at it on behalf of the nation? When? The answer is the National Mausoleum is at Savar. Early in the morning, the President and the Prime Minister on behalf of the nation place floral wreaths at the National Mausoleum. Number 3. Write down the categories of people who pay homage to the martyrs or independence. The diplomats, political parties, social and cultural organizations, and freedom fighters pay homage to the martyrs. Number 4. How do the people of all walk of life go to the National Mausoleum to pay homage to the martyrs? The answer is people from all walks of life go to the National Mausoleum also came there with rallies and processions to pay homage to the martyrs. And the last question is where is the parade held on 26 March? Who takes part in the parade? The answer is the parade held on 26 March at the National Parade Ground near the National Parliament. The Defence Forces, Border Guard, Police, Ansars and the BDB take part in the parade. Now students, it's time for homework. Write an email to your pen friend about how you have celebrated your Independence Day this year. So, this is all for today. Goodbye.